Welcome everyone to the channel. So today's video we're going to be talking about drift mode. I talked about drift mode in my video on Monday. If you haven't watched it, click the link up there to see that video. But essentially this CLA45 has the AMG Dynamics Plus package. That comes with race mode, a bunch of other features, but most importantly, it comes with drift mode. I'll give you a quick tutorial on how to activate drift mode because there isn't really that many videos on drift mode. So this is going to be a quick, easy tutorial on how to activate drift mode. Before we get in the car, I just wanted to clarify that I will be using drift mode once we get more snow. We don't really have that much on the ground. I'm running studded tires on my car, so I don't really want to drift on hard pavement with the studs and wear them out. So once the snow falls down, we're going to be doing some cool drifts and I'll be making videos on that. But today's just a quick tutorial on how to activate it. All right, now that we're in the car, the first step is to turn the car on. So let's do that. Okay, now that after that annoying startup chime has turned off, let's go into the steps on how to actually activate drift mode. So first things first, you need to have the race mode. So let's go into race mode first. Once you switch the dial, we're in race mode. So this car will not go into drift mode if it does not have race mode. After that, the next step is you want to turn off the ESP. So essentially what you want to do is you want to hold this down for more than 3 seconds. About 5 seconds is how long I hold it, and you'll see on the screen that it completely turns off. So if we hold it down, you can see it goes into sport mode and then it goes completely off. So it has to be off. After you do that, go back down and turn the car into manual mode. That means you'll be shifting on your own. The computer will not be doing the shifts itself. And once that is completed, you have race mode, you have ESP completely off, and you have manual mode. The next step is to pull both paddles back. And once you pull both paddles back, you'll get the message saying drift mode can be activated. Press up to confirm or down to deny. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'll show you guys the message for drift mode. So after you hold the paddles for about 3 seconds, you get the message to either confirm or deny drift mode. If you want to go into drift mode, you click the up paddle. If you don't want it, you click the down paddle, and that's pretty much it. That's how you activate drift mode in the new 2020 CLA45, A45, and the S versions as well. So before we finish today's video, I wanted to give a quick shout out to the sponsor of today's video, which is Carbon Fiber, a company located in the UAE. They specialize in making carbon fiber accessories. They gave me a few to show off. So this is the carbon fiber helmet keychain, which I think looks amazing. This is real carbon fiber made in the UAE, so you know it's top quality. Thank you again, Carbon Fiber, for sending these out. If you guys want to get your own carbon fiber accessories, visit the link down below and order from them. All right, guys, so that completes today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. There will be a lot more videos coming very soon. I'll be uploading every Monday and every Wednesday now. I'll be uploading 2 videos a week. So be on the lookout for both videos every week. And I'll see you guys on the next video.